Hi, welcome back to Foodie Friday at the Balk Springs Library. I'm Miss Teresa. This is where we make easy recipes for teens, adults, or your whole family. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so today we are going to make pancake muffins. This is something we're going to pre-make ahead of time to help you and your kids get out in the morning and get off to a good start, okay? So, the first thing you're going to do is go to the Dollar Tree. Oh, by the way, this is all Dollar Tree items, okay? So this entire breakfast cost me $5. So you're going to get a dill pancake mix. I got the one that says just add water. No eggs required, so that's one less step. Grab a bag of your frozen fruit. Mine is a blend. It has bananas, strawberry, and blueberries. Mine was a bit strawberry heavy, so just keep that in mind. I always like to add a splash of vanilla and a little bit of cinnamon sugar to my pancakes. I do have pancake syrup. I got it at the Dollar Tree. And then I broke all my fruit separate, so I separated the blueberries, the strawberries, and the bananas. And then I have some chocolate chips left over from our chocolate mousse recipe that we did, okay? So, in a bowl, we're going to get the pancake mix. And I have a muffin pan. I got this at the Dollar Tree, guys, so don't be intimidated. I did go ahead and pre-grease it. You can see it's quite slick. So, just FYI. Now, my muffin pan holds 6, so I'm going to cook enough pancakes for 2 batches. So I'm going to make 12 pancakes, okay? Or pancake muffins, rather. Alright. So, stay. So we're going to need 2 cups of mix. Now I'm already making a mess. Oh goodness. Yes, I realize I just put in the wrong thing. Silly me. Alright. Alright, 1, 2, that is 1 cup, because these are half cups, okay? 3, 4. Okay, so this is what's left of our pancake mix. Probably has enough to do another 6 pancakes, 6 pancake muffins, okay? So just keep that in mind. And then we're going to need 1½ cup of water. And this is ½ cup measurements, so we'll need 3 of these, okay? Actually, it's 1½ cup measurements. I'll get it right in a minute. Alright, so this is 1½ cup. That's exactly the amount of water we need. Okay? And we're going to go 1 capful of vanilla. A sprinkling of cinnamon sugar. And a squirt of the syrup. Yes, let's put the syrup in before we make the pancakes to give the pancakes flavor. Okay? So, stir all that up. Now, if it looks a bit gloopy and loose, add more pancake mix to it, okay? Just make sure you get it all mixed in first. Alright, while we're mixing this, preheat your oven to 350, okay? We're going to cook this for about 13 to 14 minutes, okay? Alright, so, let me move my pancake mix. In our muffin pan, we're going to put about 2½ tablespoons of batter in there. So you don't want it completely full, okay? About halfway, I would say. Alright, so we have that. Now we're going to top it with our stuff. So I have 2 pans, so I'm going to make 12 pancakes. 12 pancakes divided by 4 flavors is 3 pancakes per flavor, okay? So we're going to start off with the blueberries. Then we'll do 3 bananas. Alright. So then get a little spoon, stir it up. You don't have to do this process, but I like to mix the fruit. I don't want it just on top. I want it all the way in my pancake, okay? Now we're going to put this in that 350-degree oven, and we're going to bake it for 13 to 14 minutes, okay? And we'll be back whenever it's done. Alright guys, so we just got these out of the oven. I didn't put all 12 on the plate. If you were serving it right away, you would put a little bowl like this and then put your syrup in the bowl and then have it ready for that. That's perfect for brunch, a Sunday brunch, a Mother's Day brunch, anything like that. This is perfect for. And then to keep them, you just put them in a freezer bag. Once they've cooled, you put them in the freezer bag, stick them in your freezer. To microwave them, you just wrap them in a wet towel, paper towel, and microwave them for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then they are perfect for the on-the-go breakfast. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for joining us for this edition of Foodie Friday. I hope you had fun making the recipe. Remember to like, follow, share. We love seeing your creations. Also, if you're a local restaurant in the Box Springs Mesquite area and like to be featured on one of our programs, please contact the Box Springs Library. We'd love to have you as a featured guest. And until next time, bon appetit.